hole hopping setup. Oh yeah, baby. Fishing at about 10 feet of water. Using this little VMC spoon here with a minnow head. And it's just getting them going with the flash. That's what they seem to like today. Nice 2-pounder in the blizzard. Another nice bass. Down he goes. Caught a couple of golden shiners here. Gonna throw that guy on a hook, see what we can catch. Had that shiner down about 2 minutes, instantly hooked up. We're gonna get this guy back. Just right in the corner, it's perfect. It's a nice little pike. There it goes.